Is your 8th gen Honda Civic's alarm randomly going off? This is a common problem, usually caused by faulty door ajar sensor, hood switch, key fob, or weak battery. First, use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes like B175 for the hood switch or BLN45 for door ajar sensors. If no codes appear, start by inspecting your key fob battery. A weak battery can cause erratic signals. Next, examine each door ajar sensor for dirt or damage and make sure the doors close securely. Finally, inspect the hood switch for corrosion or misalignment. These are the most common reasons for the alarm to go off. Addressing them directly will solve 80% of the issues. Start by cleaning the door sensor contacts with contact cleaner to ensure proper electrical connection and prevent false alarms. Next, apply dielectric grease to the hood switch to protect against corrosion and maintain proper sensor function. Replace the key fob battery with a fresh CR2032 lithium battery to maintain reliable remote operation and avoid signal-related alarm triggers. After the fixes, perform a full system reset by disconnecting the car battery for 15 minutes to reboot the body control module and reset the alarm system. If the alarm problem persists after these DIY steps, consult a professional mechanic for advanced BCM reprogramming or replacement of faulty components.